Many of you watching us right now have either a tablet or a smartphone.
And if you don't have one yet, chances are good you'll be wanting one this holiday season.
So this week, Live on 5, we want to help you make the right decision for your dollar. We'll tell you the basics of a smartphone. Is a warranty for the phone necessary? How do you protect your phone's data? And if you have a smartphone, do you really need a tablet? Tonight, consumer advocate Jen Strathman has a secret code that reveals which provider has the best bars in Northeast Ohio.
Can you hear me now? How about now? Is this any better? Reception is one of those annoying problems you have to get used to if you have a cell phone.
I made the switch because of network issues.
I never have connection.
Jasmine Elder's bad connection with the cell tower caused dropped calls and impacted her data download speeds.
I be wanting to get on the internet so bad, and then I get that X above my bars.
Cell phones use bars to show you signal strength, but the bars don't always mean the same thing on every phone. We found a secret code that anyone can dial to unlock a number that reveals if your phone is really raising the bar.
The numbers are kind of the hidden secret underneath the bars.
Dialing that set of numbers puts your phone in field test mode. It gets you into the guts of your phone and displays signal strength as a negative number that's measured in decibels.
In these numbers, lower is better. It's like a golf score.
To find out which carrier scored the best, we took tech guru Mike Ward to 4 college campuses to supervise our test of a Sprint, Verizon, and AT&T iPhone 4S.
All right, so here we go. We're at Lakeland Community College.
We placed the 3 identical phones next to each other, dialed the code, and watched the phones as they ran field tests for 5 minutes.
All right, here we go. Call, call, call.
We did the testing at 2 different spots in or near the campus's quad. We recorded the data and averaged the results.
We are in the middle of the downtown Cleveland, basically. We should have pretty good signal from all 3 carriers.
At Cleveland State University, AT&T had the strongest signal strength in our test. Verizon won every other campus in our test, including Lorain and Lakeland Community Colleges and Kent State University.
Verizon just seems the most reliable to me, at least.
Well, we tested the smartphones in an open area at college campuses. There is a human factor that impacts reception, like how you hold your phone, the buildings around you, how tall are they, what are they made of, and how many people are using their phone at the same time. Have you ever tried to get reception at a Browns game?
From sporting events to college campuses, reception is still a big problem. We saw cell towers on or near the college campuses we visited, but we still heard the same story.
There's definitely certain places on campus where the calls just totally, you can't receive them at all.
Before you get your next phone, ask the store to borrow one or ask about the return policy so you can test that phone in your home, work, and car. It will help you figure out if that's the phone that will get you to stop asking.
Can you hear me now? Now, if you really want to run the field test mode for yourself, proceed with caution. Some in the industry say that mode can actually damage your phone. But if you really want those codes, we have them on Newsnet5.com. On your side, Jen Strathman, News Channel 5.
And if you have a smartphone or are getting one for Christmas, don't forget to download the Newsnet 5 app. Not only can you find local news, sports, and weather with our app, but we also have, wait a minute, I have to go back. This happens every time I do this with my, here, let's try this again. Here's our app right here. And when it loads, you're going to see this. There are the Black Friday ads. We have all of the ads posted there for you, all of the circulars for every store so you can see who's got the best deals. So to compare prices on the go, download the Newsnet 5 app by texting WEWS to 46988.